Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am making a video for you of what I'm eating for dinner tonight. So my cupboards are looking pretty bare, so I'm gonna actually scrap together some things. So it's kind of not normal, but it's gonna be tasty and it'll be healthy. Eating grapes while I'm waiting for the potato and pumpkin to cook. I'm not the only one that snacks whilst I cook. I can just hear my Nana's voice right now. Don't spoil your dinner! Okay, so the pumpkin, potato and onion are about 5 to 10 minutes away. My veggies have just started steaming, so they'll only take about 5 minutes, if that. And now I'm about to cook my salmon asparagus in the garlic. Finished product. Lots of colourful veggies and healthy source of protein and healthy fat. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. Comment below if you have any questions for me or topics you want me to cover in future videos. And I hope you guys are having a healthy dinner like me, and I'll make a video for you guys soon. Bye.